Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for dental school. Start by building a strong foundation in basic sciences like anatomy and physiology. Don't just passively read. Actively recall information through practice questions and self-quizzing. This approach helps solidify your understanding and improves retention. Begin connecting basic science to clinical applications as soon as possible to see the bigger picture. This early integration is crucial for long-term success. Maximize your learning by incorporating spaced repetition into your routine. This method involves reviewing material at increasing intervals, which significantly boosts long-term memory. For intricate subjects, try creating concept maps to visually link ideas and processes. These maps help clarify relationships and improve comprehension. Additionally, forming small study groups can provide diverse perspectives and allow for peer teaching, reinforcing your own knowledge. Effective time management is key to surviving dental school. Create a realistic study schedule that includes dedicated blocks for learning and essential breaks to prevent burnout. Prioritize getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, as it's vital for memory consolidation and overall cognitive function. Don't forget to incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. It's an excellent stress reliever and boosts mental clarity. For exam preparation, consistently practice with past questions to familiarize yourself with the format and common topics. Leverage online resources and question banks, which often simulate exam conditions and provide detailed explanations. These tools are invaluable for identifying areas needing more attention. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Staying organized with your meals can save you valuable study time and reduce stress during busy periods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.